Well, hello again everybody. So, just for a little bit of fun this evening, I had these two brass Squire padlocks sent to me by Hobby Picker. Thanks for sending them. So I thought we'd have a little fun, especially the one on the left is very tricky, and I'll show you why in a minute. But just because of the size of these locks, if you let me zoom out a bit, so let's get the camera up about here somewhere, and you can see the size of them, a pair of little luggage locks. Now we'll start on this one. The hardest bit is actually holding them. And there we go, that's that one opened. This one, I don't know if we can actually get this to focus. Look at the keyway, the way that's recessed. Trying to get anything to tension it is an absolute nightmare. So normally tension wrench pings out before I pick it. I'm trying to get the tension without jamming up pin 1. There we go. Anyway, just a little bit of fun for this evening. Hope you enjoyed. See you again soon. Bye.